Here are 5 simple but effective tips for healthy rose plants. 1. Sunlight is key. Roses need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Morning sunlight is best as it dries dew quickly and prevents fungal diseases. 2. Watering properly, water deeply at the base, not on the leaves, to avoid black spots and powdery mildew. Water, too, 3 times a week, more in summer, less in winter. 3. Soil and fertilizer use well drained. Loamy soil rich in organic matter. Feed roses every 3-4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer or organic compost for healthy growth and blooms. 4. Pruning regularly. Trim dead or weak stems to improve airflow and encourage new shoots. Prune at the start of spring for maximum flowering. 5. Pest and disease care. Watch for aphids, spider mites, and fungal infections. Use neem oil or mild soap spray as a natural remedy. Keep the plant clean and remove fallen leaves. Thanks for watching.